Why does Claude forget? You told it something yesterday, today it's gone. You corrected it an hour ago, and now it's doing the same thing again. You've started typing as I mentioned before, like you're in an email chain with someone who isn't reading it. You're wondering if it's you, but it's not. Claude forgets because of exactly how it is supposed to work. And once you see how it works, the forgetting stops feeling like a bug. Come with me. Picture a room, right? Plain room, four walls, fluorescent lights, one of those rooms where your boss books for a quick catch up. On one wall, a whiteboard, empty. You open a new chat. That's you stepping into the room. The whiteboard is empty. Claude isn't even here yet, right? You type your message, hit enter. Your message appears on the whiteboard. And now Claude walks in. For the first time, reads the board, writes a reply underneath, and walks right back out. Door closes. You type again, hit enter. Your message comes again on the whiteboard, and a new Claude walks in. Wait, not the same one? A new one, brand new. Never met you, never been in this room before. I know, right? Read that again. Every message you send, a different Claude walks in, reads the board, writes back, and leaves. Message number 3, message number 10, message number 50, new Claude. It's the world's worst handover process. It's like imagine a brilliant intern, right? Who forgets you the next day. Top of their class, solves everything, walks in tomorrow with no idea who you are. That's Claude. You've never been talking to one Claude at all. You've been briefing a new intern every single time, which means the conversation isn't the thing at all. The whiteboard is. Everything Claude knows about you, about your project, about what you want is on the whiteboard when it walks in. Nothing else. No memory of yesterday. No, we already talked about it before. Just a whiteboard and a stranger who has to figure it out from what's written over there. But here's the thing nobody tells you, the whiteboard isn't infinite. Real whiteboard, real limits, only so much space. And the longer you chat, the more crowded you get. Now imagine this. You walk into a meeting 15 minutes late, the whiteboard is already full with participants, and the boss asks you, what do you think about this? You have about 4 seconds to look smart. Where do you guys go? The top, where things started, and the bottom, where things are right now mostly, right? And the middle, you'll figure it out later. Most likely you won't. Claude does the exact same thing, same as you and me in that meeting. Sharpest attention sits at the top, and the bottom, middle, fades. Not erased, just quietly ignored. Which is why that important detail from message number 20 suddenly gets missed. It's still on the board, just in the fog, right? And this isn't a wipe. Stanford ran the experiment, hid an answer to a question in different spots of a long document. Top or bottom, the model found it. Middle, accuracy fell off a cliff. They called it lost in the middle. I built a little thing on my website so you can, just watch it. So we go to the tools, the middle fades. So if you see, this is one long chat, right? And suddenly the middle fades away. And this is the end of the chat. And now Claude is reading what is here and making up its own mind. And this is what Stanford called lost in the middle, the lowest point, right? So now here's the thing which you should do differently tonight. Your first message sits at the top of the whiteboard. The top is the real prime estate. Every Claude that walks in reads it first, right? Treat it like a briefing, not a prompt. Who you are, what you're working on, what good looks to you, and what you've already tried, right? What's in your head. 30 seconds of setup once. Now, every Claude that walks in starts on your side rather than guessing. That's it. One picture, one fix. Thank you.